This column is built with Brisa freestanding wall column units. Start by excavating for the leveling pad. Make this area 12 inches deep and 36 inches square. The leveling pad itself should be 6 inches deep, built in 2 lifts, and thoroughly compacted after each lift. Place the first base block so both outside edges are 6 inches from the edge of the leveling pad. Level side to side and front to back. Place the second base block perpendicular to the first and continue around the column. Glue each unit. Stack the first course of the column. Check the inside of the column with a speed square. On the second course, stack so there's a staggered bond. Follow the same procedures for each additional course in the column. Finish the column by gluing the caps with concrete adhesive.